Hello, in this video we are going to learn Octavius the Octopus, page 59 of the primer level. Okay, so if you see here, the octave means that there is base C until middle C. Jaraknya 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's an octave. Satu octave artinya from C to C. So it's like from C to higher C gitu ya, middle C to lower C. That's an octave. We are going to play this song only for your left hand. Yeah, so this is C, C again, and then this is low C. Yeah, you're going to jump here. 1, 1, 5, like this. C, middle C, middle C, and then low C, like that. Okay. Now, moving on, this is the same, yeah. Middle C, low C. And then, now, this, you are going a step down, C, B, A, B, and then C, C, and then low C again. Yeah. Now, this one, we are just going to play all the notes with number 3 finger, left hand. So brace with 3, forte, this is loud, C, and then go up, D, E, F, G, A, B, middle C, and then low C, like that. Okay, I promise you it won't be hard. So left hand 1 on middle C, yeah, here, and then we are going to jump here. Okay, first row, 1, 2, 1 beat, 1, 2 beat. Attention, you're jumping here. Don't stretch your hand. I want you to jump. Okay, let's try it again. First row, 1, 2, 1, 2, forte. Now the second row, we are going to play with number 3 from low C, going up here, and then low C again with number 3, yeah, middle finger. Okay, let's try second row, forte, 1, 2, go up, 1, 2, 1, 2, 4. Okay, I'll do that again. Second row, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Great. Now I'm going to play from the beginning to the end. Okay, 1 on middle C here. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great. I'll see you next week.